I see in the TV. One person wrote, I think you can remember somebody called Motai Wahome. Yeah, he used to write on a Sunday. Yeah, Whispers, yes, very good. Thank you very much. It's Whispers. In the column, somebody wrote, because he knew Whispers, we read them on Sundays very well. I used to read it. Down there, somebody wrote, in Meru district, level 4, near Mujini means Kijage, there is a person who was reared and a 300 cats, pussy, anaweka 300. So everyone was just like, what is it? Pussy, cat, 300. People took something very serious. So everybody from Meru, people were going, were students from Meru school, they were going, seeing what is all this. Now, sorry, that one is that's what I've come to say, because when I saw some things in the media, I started questioning people. When people went there, they met the owner who was told that he has 300 cats. He had only four rabbits. Sungura, tatu. The place is quiet. He has chicken. Now, when the CID started investigating, they found that and the one was writing said, he pussy sina chinjwa sinapelekwa kwa hoteli ya ile. Now, kumbe it is one of the competitors of the owner of the hotel. So you see, those are things I'm saying. When I saw someone writing uchawi kwa huyu, actually I wanted to know Karama and the family and Mheshimiwa, I wanted that person to consult me, and I am in this congregation. I'm ready to stand those TV. I tell them the truth. I do talk the truth. I'm telling you, I'm ready to talk the truth. Because when you tell someone is a witch, in fact, I almost called him, but I didn't get the contact. Nimwambie kuandika kitu kama hiyo, kusema uchawi na unadhibitisha kabati somewhere, then I grade him in a psychiatric disorder. Actually, there's kabuti kabisa hapa kwake. Kabisa, wasimu, that's good. I think I should be given another time. Now, what I want to say, I have the information. I have the information. Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa. Mheshimiwa knows how someone like a senior consultant is talking. He's not talking like EVV, because I have the words I was given by Kagema. And God, if I don't have, I'm not going to fly to DRC. I'm ready to go to Muranga during barrio time. And I want to be given time, I say. Yes. Because I'm saying this one, fearing God. Kagema did not die of uchawi, not even poisoning. I know what killed Kagema. These people, they don't know. Because they told me Daktari, I trust you. I trust you with the bishop. But I will not tell Bishop about his disease kidogo. Because he had been taking drugs, or cholesterol. But I think he was buying over the counter. So, I request all of us tuishokerere si sote. Wewe say today is our brother Kagema, tomorrow ni mimi. Uli anaandika TV zake tutaandika ngapi? Lakini conclusion, that person is mental problem. Tuko sawa? Thank you very much.
Asante sana daktari, tupigie daktari makofi mazuri. Najua angetuelezea mengi, isipokuwa ni vile hatuna muda mwingi sana, lakini si hapo kidogo tu mumeelewa. Na mwanyita ciana cia Ngai. Ndio ni mwamenyi ndio wote muri mwage kwewe. Tiga homa. Ona hapa wewe. Leo horosho ni moja. Asante. Haya. Nenda tu duirani. Watu najaribu kuangalia masaa yangu vile iko. Wale watu niko nao. Sijui vile tutafanya, lakini Mungu atatusaidia. Kanati ya mheshimiwa Madai. Ngai ndiye atutaidia. No mujitekerie turogamite ro. Kana tuikarete ndio. Kwa sababu daktari sasa ameongea. Niita daktari mwingine sasa. Sasa huyu atatuelezea hiyo. Huyu atatuelezea nyingine. Huyu atapatia tu familia pole. Alafu aketi tu hapo na mambo itakuwa sawa sawa. Ni vile hawezi kuja mahali niko hata kama sina wakati mwingi wa kupeana, nikose kumpatia. Nikataka tupigie Dr. Kariuki wa Comfort Homes makofi mazuri anapokuja hapa, salimie watu, salimie familia, ndohoroshe ni ukorowe mwega na trati uguo. Muthe ndakwetera ni ndagika mundu karakare baba wewe mheshimiwa.
Ngai ni mwega ndi ciothe kuri maita makinyaga rimwe ona Jesu hari gikombe rimwe acemanirie nakio akiuga kungihoteka baba njehereria gikombe giki no akiro no nginya ukinyuire. Riu nawe Karangu ihinda riaku ria kunywera gikombe tondu turario haha ni undu wa maundu ta macio hindi ingi. Then riu nona maundu maria makoretwo online na andu matikikiaga kwarisia kurire wi muoyo na for you to prosper ni urabatara thu na ni urabatara rata. No undu ria ungi ni wega andu makaheaga ringi family kahinda ga kumon ta riu hindi no muramenya maundu ria makoretwo me maritu mwena-ini wa Karangu. Ni wega kuhe family gitio na Ngai ni egukurathima. No ngikorwo no uretha ngumo tiga kwamba gwetha ngumo hindi no horera ona rucio no ukamietha na gwakorwo kwega. Marito makwa ni Kariuki, ndutaga wira wa kwendia tumigunda, andu manjwita Kariuki wa Together as One kana Comfort Homes na Karangu. Ngai wa moyo ni egukuhe thayu. Muvia aidele.
Thank you. Alright, Daktari Kariuki makofi mega. Kule wa Comfort Homes Together as One. Wewe ni atuteithĩtie mũno. Ngari nyingĩ na tũgĩthiĩ nacio bara. Turutete gwake. Turamũrĩho kahora. Ndagĩtũteng'eragia mũno. Asante. Nĩkwenda ningĩ kũmũgũkĩra Mheshimiwa Madai. Na akendemwe kiugo kĩmwe gĩa kũgeithania. Ũkogeithania haha. Mũhũrĩre irohĩro wega tafadhali. Akinyire gũkũ tene mũno. Thaa 10 aima gũkũ. Ũguo nĩguo narĩ wega ndĩmũhe kanya ga ndagĩka ĩmwe ageithanie nigetha ahote gũthiĩ hau hangĩ.